My name is Clement Jesisniao and I'm speaking from Ghana. This is a project I made during my CS50 course and it's titled Finance Web Application. It is an application by which users can manage portfolios of stocks. They can check real stocks' actual prices and portfolios values and can also buy and sell stocks by querying for stock prices. Okay, so this is my app.py which contains all my Python code. I have my schema.sql file here which contains all the entities for my database. I have my finance.db which is my database, and then also have my templates folder which contains all my templates, and then the static folder which contains some CSS styling. Now let me quickly go to the program itself. Let me run flask run, and then let me copy this link. Let me enter. So this is the app. The moment you enter, it brings you into the login page. So because I don't have an account, let me register for an account. Okay, so I can type my username, my password, and then I can confirm my password. Let me input a wrong confirmation and let's see what happens. So passwords do not match. If the password and its confirmation do not match, you are told to retype again. So let me make the correction here. Okay, now my password and confirmation are the same. So let's see what happens. Okay, it takes me to the login page. So now I have to log in with the username and the password that I use for registering. So now let me input my username and then let me input my password. Okay, so it brings me to my root directory. Over here, you can see my portfolio. Currently, I've not bought or sold any shares, so I don't have any information here. What I have here is the cash. The cash in total you can see here is the cash which is already in my account, which I owe, which is already in my account. So now, let me start buying some shares. Before I buy shares, let me ask for a quote of Netflix share price. So let me go here. Over here, I have to input the Netflix symbol or any other symbol of any company you know. The quote for the symbol for Netflix is NFLX. So let me ask for a quote. Okay, so it's coming. Let's wait for a while as it loads, and let's see what happens. Okay, so now, as you can see, for Netflix, the name is Netflix, symbol Netflix, and then the price per share of Netflix stock is $570.2. Okay, so let me buy 4 of these shares. Let me buy 4 of these shares. So I'll input the Netflix symbol again, Netflix symbol, and I'll input 4 here. Okay, so you can see now in my portfolio, as you can see, the flash message bought 4 shares of Netflix for $2,281.68. So I bought 4 shares, and the price per share is this. So 4 times $570.42 will give me $2,281.68. Okay, let me ask for a quote again for Apple. Let's see Apple. Okay, so one Apple share costs $192.42. Let me buy, let's say 3 shares of Apple. Let me buy. Okay, as you can see, Apple here, I bought 3 shares times $192.42, which is the price per share, and it gives me an amount of $577.26. I beg your pardon. So now, this addition, originally I had $10,000 in my account. So the addition of these two stock values will give me these two stock values plus my amount left. This amount left in my account now, 7,142.06, gives me $10,000. Okay, let me sell some of my shares. Let me sell two of my Netflix shares. I have four here. Let me sell two. So let me choose Netflix, and then let me choose two here. Okay, so now I'm only left with two Netflix shares. By 572, which will give me $1,140.84. And so you can see that the amount here has increased because I've sold two shares. And so this plus this value together plus the total amount left in my account will give me $10,000, which is my total value in my account. Okay, now let's go to history. Let's see what we are doing. Let's go to history. So as you can see, the history contains the type of transaction I made. I first bought four Netflix shares, and then this is what was recorded. This is the date 2024 01/28, and then at exactly this particular time is when I bought this share. After that, I bought three Apple shares. Then I sold two of my Netflix shares. So you can see -2 here, and you can see the negative value here. So that is what my finance project is about. If I click on the CS50 Finance logo, it will bring me back to my root directory, to my portfolio, and now I can log out. When I log out, it brings me back to my login page. So thank you very much.